In the vast tapestry of Earth's history, few creatures command attention and intrigue quite like the giants of the past. From towering dinosaurs to massive mammals, the annals of prehistory are filled with awe-inspiring beings that once roamed the ancient landscapes. Among these titans, one creature stands out as a true heavyweight champion, the bear. Yes, you read that right. The biggest land carnivore since the dinosaurs was not a fearsome predator with razor-sharp teeth or massive claws, but a bear, an extraordinary genus known as Arctotherium. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the remarkable story of the colossal bear that reigned supreme in the prehistoric world. The discovery of Arctotherium marks a significant milestone in paleontological research, shedding light on the diverse array of prehistoric mammals that once roamed the Earth. The story of Tremarctine bear begins in the mid-19th century with the unearthing of fossilized remains in Argentina. These initial discoveries captured the attention of scientists and sparked interest in unraveling the identity of this mysterious creature. Paleontologists initially struggled to classify Arctotherium, as its skeletal features bore similarities to both bears and other prehistoric carnivores. However, detailed analysis of its anatomy and skull morphology eventually led to its placement within the Tremarctini family, commonly known as the short-faced bears. This classification highlighted the existence of a distinct lineage of bears, separate from their modern counterparts. The taxonomy of Tremarctine bear further evolved as additional specimens were discovered and studied. Variations in size, morphology, and geographic distribution among different species of Tremarctine bear led to the identification of multiple distinct taxa within the genus. These taxonomic revisions refined our understanding of its evolutionary relationships and ecological role within ancient ecosystems. One of the most remarkable aspects of short-faced bear's discovery is the exceptional preservation of its fossilized remains. Fossils found in Argentina, particularly in the region around Buenos Aires, provided paleontologists with invaluable insights into the anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history of this prehistoric predator. The well-preserved nature of these fossils facilitated detailed scientific analysis, allowing researchers to reconstruct Arctotherium's appearance and behavior with remarkable accuracy. In addition to skeletal remains, other evidence, such as trace fossils and isotopic analysis, has contributed to our understanding of Arctotherium's biology and ecology. These multidisciplinary approaches have enabled scientists to paint a comprehensive picture of its life history, from its diet and hunting strategies to its social behavior and interactions with other species. Size has long been a topic of fascination and speculation in the study of prehistoric animals. The allure of massive predators, such as dinosaurs and mammoth mammals, captures the imagination and drives scientific inquiry into their dimensions and capabilities. Among the ranks of prehistoric carnivores, Arctotherium emerges as a true giant, challenging conventional notions of size and dominance in the ancient world. Contrary to popular belief, Arctotherium surpasses Andrewsarchus in size, establishing itself as the largest terrestrial carnivore since the dinosaurs. While Andrewsarchus was once touted as the heavyweight champion of prehistoric predators, recent discoveries and size estimates of various prehistoric bear species have reshaped our understanding of mammalian gigantism. Arctotherium bonini, the type species of the genus, was initially considered formidable in size, with estimates placing it among the largest carnivores of its time. However, subsequent discoveries of larger Arctotherium species, particularly Arctotherium angustidens, have eclipsed the size of its predecessors. Arctotherium angustidens, often referred to as the giant short-faced bear, stands out as the most imposing species within the genus, with size estimates ranging from 991 to 2,600 pounds. The discovery of an exceptionally large specimen in 2011 further solidifies Arctotherium's status as a true behemoth of the prehistoric world. Estimates suggest that this individual may have weighed over 4,500 pounds, surpassing the size of even the largest known polar bears and rivaling some of the largest theropod dinosaurs in weight. In addition to its immense size, its towering height sets it apart from other prehistoric predators. Standing upright, Arctotherium angustidens would have loomed over the average Tyrannosaurus rex and large African elephants, showcasing its formidable stature and dominance in ancient ecosystems. Arctotherium angustidens emerges as the epitome of colossal size and power within the genus Arctotherium. This species, commonly referred to as the giant short-faced bear, commands attention and fascination due to its immense proportions and formidable presence in ancient ecosystems. Size estimates for Arctotherium angustidens place it among the largest land carnivores to have ever existed, with weight estimates ranging from 991 to 2,600 pounds, and exceptional individuals potentially exceeding 4,500 pounds. Arctotherium angustidens dwarfs its contemporaries and rivals the largest theropod dinosaurs in sheer mass. Its imposing size and stature would have made it a dominant apex predator in its environment, capable of preying on large herbivores and competing with other carnivores for resources. Beyond its impressive weight, it stands out for its towering height. Standing upright, this giant bear would have reached heights surpassing those of the average Tyrannosaurus rex and large African elephants, further cementing its status as a true behemoth of the prehistoric world. Its formidable stature and powerful build would have instilled fear and respect in all who encountered it. The discovery of Arctotherium angustidens represents a watershed moment in paleontological research, reshaping our understanding of prehistoric mammalian gigantism and ecological dynamics. Through careful analysis of fossilized remains and scientific inquiry, researchers continue to unravel the mysteries of Arctotherium angustidens, shedding light on its biology, behavior, and role in ancient ecosystems. In addition to its impressive size, it possessed formidable hunting capabilities and adaptations suited to its predatory lifestyle. Its robust skull and powerful jaws enabled it to deliver bone-crushing bites, while its long legs and agile frame allowed for swift pursuit of prey. Despite its massive size, Arctotherium angustidens was surprisingly agile and adept at navigating its environment, making it a highly efficient and successful predator. Arctotherium angustidens stands as a testament to the marvels of evolution and the diversity of life that once inhabited our planet. Its colossal size and formidable presence in ancient ecosystems underscore the dynamic nature of prehistoric environments and the remarkable adaptations that enabled creatures like Arctotherium angustidens to thrive. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of this giant bear, we gain new insights into the rich tapestry of life that has shaped Earth's history. The origins of Arctotherium's gigantism are rooted in ecological shifts and evolutionary pressures that shaped its lineage over millions of years. As a member of the short-faced bears, Tremarctinae, evolved unique adaptations and behaviors that allowed it to thrive in diverse environments and compete with other apex predators for resources. The emergence of its gigantism is believed to be linked to changes in its environment, particularly the extinction of competing megafauna, such as the Colocotherium. With reduced competition for resources, Arctotherium was able to exploit its environment and evolve into a formidable apex predator. Its robust skull, powerful jaws, and massive size made it well suited for hunting large prey and asserting dominance in its ecosystem. One of its key adaptations was its dietary preferences and hunting strategies. Carbon isotope studies indicate that Arctotherium had a preference for consuming large quantities of meat, including flesh from horses, tapirs, camelids, and other megafauna. Its bone-crushing jaws and powerful forelimbs enabled it to deliver devastating attacks on its prey, making it a formidable predator in ancient ecosystems. Despite its imposing size and predatory prowess, Arctotherium was surprisingly agile and adept at navigating its environment. Its long legs and agile frame allowed for swift pursuit of prey, while its keen senses and intelligence made it a highly efficient hunter. In addition to hunting, it also exhibited omnivorous tendencies, consuming a diverse array of plant matter when meat was scarce. The evolution of Arctotherium's gigantism represents a remarkable example of adaptive radiation and ecological specialization within the short-faced bears. Through millions of years of evolution, it developed unique adaptations and behaviors that allowed it to thrive in diverse environments and outcompete other apex predators for resources. Arctotherium's dominance extended beyond its physical prowess, as its social behavior and interactions played a crucial role in shaping its ecology and survival strategies. As apex predators, Arctotherium individuals engaged in complex social dynamics, territorial disputes, and conflicts that influenced their behavior and interactions with other species. One of the key aspects of its social behavior was its utilization of paleo-burrows as shelters and nesting sites. These underground burrows provided protection from predators, harsh weather conditions, and served as safe havens for raising offspring. Arctotherium individuals would often excavate and modify burrows to suit their needs, creating elaborate underground networks that facilitated social interactions and communal living. Territorial behavior was another important aspect of its social dynamics, as individuals competed for access to resources and breeding opportunities. Territorial disputes often led to conflicts and confrontations between rival groups, resulting in displays of aggression and dominance. These conflicts were typically resolved through vocalizations, physical displays, and occasionally, violent confrontations. Evidence of injuries and skeletal trauma in Arctotherium fossils suggests that conflicts and intraspecific competition were common occurrences within the species. Deep lacerations, broken bones, and other signs of trauma indicate fierce battles between individuals, often over territory, mating rights, or access to resources. These violent encounters played a significant role in shaping Arctotherium's social structure and behavior. Despite their formidable size and strength, Arctotherium individuals were not immune to injury or mortality resulting from conflicts. Severe injuries sustained during territorial disputes or confrontations with rivals could have serious consequences for individual survival, leading to reduced fitness and reproductive success. However, the benefits of social living and group cohesion likely outweighed the risks, as communal living provided protection, support, and increased opportunities for breeding and raising offspring. The decline and eventual extinction mark the end of an era for the giant short-faced bears, signaling the loss of one of the largest and most iconic predators in prehistoric America. The factors contributing to Arctotherium's decline and extinction are complex and multifaceted, reflecting changes in climate, habitat, and ecological dynamics during the late Pleistocene and early Holocene epochs. As the Pleistocene epoch gave way to the Holocene, the global climate underwent significant changes, leading to shifts in temperature, precipitation, and vegetation patterns. These environmental changes had profound effects on ecosystems and biodiversity, disrupting food webs, altering habitat availability, and driving changes in species distributions and population dynamics. The emergence of new predators and shifts in prey availability posed significant challenges to Arctotherium's survival and reproductive success. Competition from other apex predators, such as American lions, dire wolves, and saber-toothed cats, placed additional pressure on Arctotherium populations, limiting their access to resources and breeding opportunities. The decline of megafauna populations, including large herbivores such as horses, camels, and ground sloths, further exacerbated the challenges facing Arctotherium populations. With reduced prey availability and increased competition from other predators, Arctotherium individuals faced heightened risks of starvation, predation, and territorial conflicts, leading to decreased population sizes and reproductive rates. In addition to ecological factors, human activities, such as hunting and habitat destruction, may have contributed to Arctotherium's decline and extinction. As human populations expanded and spread across the Americas, they hunted large mammals for food, resources, and territorial expansion, leading to overexploitation and habitat loss. The combination of these factors, environmental changes, competition from other predators, and human activities likely contributed to the gradual decline and eventual extinction of Arctotherium populations. By the late Pleistocene and early Holocene epochs, Arctotherium had disappeared from the fossil record, leaving behind a legacy of dominance and ecological significance in ancient ecosystems. The decline and extinction of Arctotherium mark the end of an era for the giant short-faced bears, reflecting changes in climate, habitat, and ecological dynamics during the late Pleistocene and early Holocene epochs. By understanding the factors contributing to Arctotherium's decline and extinction, scientists gain insights into the complex interactions between organisms and their environments, shedding light on the dynamics of past ecosystems and the challenges facing modern conservation efforts. The legacy of Arctotherium lives on through its descendants and the imprint it left on ancient ecosystems. Despite its eventual decline and extinction, its evolutionary lineage persisted for millions of years, adapting and diversifying in response to changing environmental conditions and ecological pressures. Following the extinction of the giant short-faced bears, Arctotherium's lineage gave rise to smaller, more specialized species that inhabited different regions and ecosystems across the Americas. These descendant species retained some of the adaptations and behaviors of their giant ancestors, but adapted to new dietary niches and ecological roles. The transition to smaller, more specialized species allowed its lineage to persist for thousands of years following the demise of the giant short-faced bears. These descendant species exhibited a range of adaptations and behaviors suited to their respective environments, from omnivorous diets to specialized feeding strategies. Despite their smaller size, the descendants of Arctotherium continued to play important roles in ancient ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Their presence helped to maintain ecological balance and regulate prey populations, influencing the dynamics of predator-prey interactions and community structure. The extinction timeline of Arctotherium and its descendants provides insights into the complex interplay of ecological, environmental, and evolutionary factors that shaped their evolution and ultimate fate. Dated specimens indicate that the last of the Arctotherium species disappeared from the fossil record between 12,000 and 9,000 years ago, coinciding with the end of the Pleistocene epoch and the onset of the Holocene. Despite inhabiting different regions and possessing varied diets, All four species of Arctotherium descendants went extinct around the same time, suggesting a common underlying cause. The Quaternary extinction event, marked by rapid changes in climate, habitat loss, and human activities, likely played a significant role in the demise of Arctotherium and other megafauna. The extinction of Arctotherium and its descendants represents a loss of biodiversity and ecological resilience in ancient ecosystems. By understanding the factors contributing to their decline and extinction, scientists gain insights into the dynamics of past ecosystems and the vulnerabilities of large-bodied mammals to environmental change and human impacts. The legacy of Arctotherium lives on through its descendants and the imprint it left on ancient ecosystems. Despite their eventual decline and extinction, the giant short-faced bears and their descendants played important roles in shaping the biodiversity and ecological dynamics of prehistoric America. By studying their evolution, behavior, and extinction, scientists gain insights into the complex interplay of ecological, environmental, and evolutionary factors that shaped their evolutionary history and ultimate fate. Arctotherium, the giant short-faced bear, emerges as a true titan of the prehistoric world, challenging conventional notions of size and dominance in ancient ecosystems. Through careful study and analysis, scientists have unraveled the mysteries of its discovery, taxonomy, immense size, evolutionary adaptations, social behavior, decline, and extinction. From its humble beginnings in the mid-19th century to its eventual decline and extinction, Arctotherium's story provides a window into the dynamic nature of prehistoric ecosystems and the remarkable adaptations that enabled large-bodied mammals to thrive in diverse environments. Through meticulous research and multidisciplinary approaches, scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of its evolutionary history and ecological significance, shedding light on the rich tapestry of life that once inhabited our planet. As we reflect on its legacy and the lessons learned from its rise and fall, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of Earth's history and the interconnectedness of all living organisms. By studying the giants of the past, we gain insights into the challenges facing modern conservation efforts and the urgent need to protect Earth's biodiversity for future generations. Though no longer walking the Earth, the spirit of these ancient giants lives on in our imaginations and in the ongoing quest to unravel the mysteries of our planet's past. So, the next time you encounter a bear in the wild or read about Earth's ancient inhabitants, remember the tale of Arctotherium, the biggest land carnivore since the dinosaurs, and marvel at the wonders of evolution and the incredible diversity of life that has graced our planet throughout the ages.